More than 85% of drivers are blindly throwing money out the window on professional car detailing, completely unaware that the secrets to a brand new looking car are sitting right inside their bathroom cabinets. Detailing shops and car care brands have been quietly ripping you off for years, charging you $150 to $300 for simple surface fixes that you can actually do at home for pennies. Today, we are exposing the industry's best-kept secrets. We are counting down 15 genius car cleaning tricks that will make your vehicle instantly shine and save your wallet from the detail shop. But you need to stick around until the very end, because trick number 1 is a simple $6 spray that will literally save your entire car interior from being destroyed by water damage. It is a secret that detailers charge $100 just to mask. Let's dive right in and expose these lies. Starting with trick number 15. Trick number 15. Vaseline for instant headlight restoration. Your headlights are yellowed, foggy, and making your entire car look old and neglected. Professional headlight restoration will cost you $80 to $120 at a body shop. But what they hide from you is that this cloudy haze is just surface-level UV damage. You can fix it at home for $3 using plain petroleum jelly. Grab a microfiber cloth, scoop some regular Vaseline, and rub it directly onto the lens in firm circles. The jelly penetrates the oxidized plastic, restoring moisture and clarity from the inside out, while leaving a protective barrier against future fading. If saving $100 on headlights made you smile, wait until you see what the next trick does to your scratched paint. Trick number 14. Toothpaste to buff out car scuffs. Your car has visible surface scratches, making the paint look tired, beaten up, and driving you completely crazy. Body shops will quickly quote you $150 to $300 for professional paint correction. Even dealer touch-up kits cost $50 with absolutely no guarantee of a perfect color match. Here is the simple $2 fix. Take regular white toothpaste, apply a small amount to a damp cloth, and scrub the scuff in tight circular motions. The mild abrasives in the toothpaste act just like professional polishing compounds, gently smoothing out the clear coat without causing any damage. Wipe it clean and watch the scuff vanish. But if that surprised you, wait until you see how to deep clean your filthy carpets. Trick number 13. Hair shampoo for deep clean carpets. Your floor mats are an absolute disaster, covered in ground and dirt, food spills, and a musty smell that never leaves. Professional interior detailers charge upwards of $150 just to shampoo your floors, using expensive chemical foams that essentially do the exact same thing as a cheap household item. Grab a $3 bottle of regular hair shampoo from your shower. Mix a small amount with warm water in a spray bottle. Spray the stained carpet and scrub with a soft brush. The shampoo breaks down tough oils, lifts dirt from the fibers, and completely neutralizes trapped odors naturally. Blot it dry for a genuinely fresh interior. Next up, we are exposing the massive lie about expensive glass cleaning products. Trick number 12. White vinegar and newspaper for crystal clear glass. Your windows have a stubborn, greasy film that smears and blinds you when the sun hits the glass. You are wasting money on commercial glass cleaners. What they never tell you is that those products contain ammonia and surfactants that actually leave a chemical residue behind, causing the exact streaks you hate. The ultimate streak-free secret costs just $2. Mix equal parts white vinegar and water. Spray the glass and wipe it immediately with crumpled old newspaper. Acetic acid cuts through heavy grease and off-gassing plastic haze, while the newspaper's texture polishes the glass perfectly without leaving lint. Visibility will be flawless. Speaking of flawless, this next trick for your paint finish will definitely drop your jaw. Trick number 11. Coconut oil for a spotless paint finish. Your car's paint is looking dull, lifeless, and washing it just does not bring back that original gloss anymore. Detailing shops want hundreds of dollars for a basic paint protection service, pushing expensive wax treatments or ceramic coatings that completely drain your bank account. But here is the secret they hide. Grab a $5 jar of regular coconut oil from the grocery store. After washing and drying, wipe a tiny amount onto your paint using a microfiber cloth. The natural fatty acids fill in microscopic surface imperfections, instantly restoring a deep, glossy finish while conditioning the clear coat. Buff it smooth for a showroom shine. If you thought that was cheap, wait until you see how to replace your entire car wash routine. Trick number 10. The ultimate DIY formula for a full car clean. You are spending $20 every few weeks on specialty car wash soaps, wheel cleaners, and interior sprays. Car care companies are getting rich by selling you watered-down, heavily fragranced products for every single surface on your vehicle. It is a massive ripoff. Here is a powerful all-purpose solution that actually works. Mix 1 cup of dish soap, half a cup of white vinegar, and a gallon of warm water. The dish soap safely cuts through grease and road grime, while the vinegar dissolves hard water spots. Use it on your paint, your wheels, and even hard interior surfaces for just 50 cents a batch. And we are just getting started. This next interior trick will completely shock you. Before we expose these mind-blowing interior hacks, do me a massive favor and hit that like button. It genuinely helps CoreCar keep exposing these expensive detailing secrets. Done? Awesome. Let's keep going. Trick number 9. Baby wipes for a spotless car interior. Your dashboard, center console, and steering wheel are covered in sticky fingerprints, dust, and built-up oils from daily driving. Letting this grime sit there actually breaks down your interior plastics over time, leading to fading and cracking that costs hundreds of dollars to replace at the dealership. Skip the expensive detailing sprays. Grab a $3 pack of standard baby wipes. Wipe down every hard surface inside your cabin. The gentle cleaning solution instantly breaks down human oils and lifts trapped dust without damaging the materials. Plus, they leave behind a microscopic protective layer that naturally repels future dust. Your interior looks great, but your blind spots are still a massive hazard. Watch this next mirror hack. Trick number 8. Toothpaste for crystal clear side mirrors. Your side mirrors are covered in hard water spots and stubborn road grime that glass cleaners simply cannot remove. This buildup is not just annoying, it creates dangerous blind spots that drastically increase your risk of a high-speed accident when merging lanes. Most drivers live with the danger or pay detailers to polish the glass. Grab regular white toothpaste, squeeze a small amount onto a damp cloth, and scrub the mirrors in firm circular motions. Mild abrasives safely cut through heavy oxidation and polish the glass to absolute crystal clarity. Rinse with water and buff it dry. Your mirrors are perfect now, but your paint is hiding a gritty secret that washing never fixes. Trick number 7. Clay bar for a showroom smooth finish. You just washed your car. The paint still feels rough and gritty like fine sandpaper. That grit is embedded brake dust and industrial fallout. If you wax over it, the contamination stays trapped, ruining the clear coat and making your expensive wax job useless. Detailers hide this step to keep you coming back. Buy a $15 clay bar kit. Spray the lubricant onto a wet panel and glide the clay back and forth. The clay pulls microscopic metal particles and embedded grime right out of your paint's pores. Wipe it down, the surface feels as smooth as glass. Now that the paint is flawless, it is time to reveal the soda hack that destroys stubborn wheel grime. Trick number 6. Coca-Cola to clean dirty tires. Your tires are caked in thick brake dust and grease, making them look brown and neglected even after washing. Auto parts stores sell specialty wheel cleaners for $15 a bottle. aggressively break down baked-on brake dust and dissolve heavy grease from the rubber. Scrub with a stiff brush and rinse thoroughly. If you thought wheel cleaning was a scam, wait until you hear how washing your car in the sun is permanently damaging your paint. Trick number 5. Shade washing for a scratch-free finish. You pull into your driveway on a sunny afternoon and decide to wash your car right there. The sun dries your soap suds instantly, leaving massive water spots and thick chemical residue baked right into the paint. You end up creating permanent clear coat damage that requires a professional $200 polishing service to fix. Here is the ultimate free hack. Always wash your car in complete shade or wait until the sun is low. When the metal panels are cool to the touch, the soap stays wet long enough to actually lift dirt safely instead of drying into an acidic film. Water sheets off evenly without etching the surface. Your paint is protected. But what about that awful faded black plastic? This next trick will completely blow your mind. Trick number 4. Black shoe polish for faded exterior trim. Your door handles, side mirrors, and bumper plastics have faded to an ugly, washed-out gray. It makes your entire car look completely neglected. Plastic restoration products cost $20 at the auto store, but they wash off after one single rainstorm, forcing you to constantly reapply or buy expensive replacement panels. Here is the long-term secret. Grab a $5 tin of black paste shoe polish. Apply a thin layer to all faded exterior trim. Work it into the plastic thoroughly and buff away the excess. The waxes and heavy dyes penetrate the dried-out plastic, instantly restoring a deep, rich black that lasts for months. Now your trim looks brand new, but your wiper blades are still failing. This next spray will save them instantly. Trick number 3. WD-40 to restore failing wiper blades. Your wipers are streaky, chattering, and barely clearing water when you need them the most. Most drivers assume the rubber is completely worn out and immediately throw away $50 on a brand new set. But what the manufacturers hide is that the rubber is just contaminated and dried out. You can fix it in 60 seconds. Spray a small amount of WD-40 onto a clean cloth and wipe the entire edge of each blade. The penetrating oil dissolves baked-on road grime, strips away oxidation, and restores essential flexibility to the UV-damaged rubber. Just wipe it completely dry. Your wipers will glide silently again. But we are not done yet. This next trick gives you that crazy new car shine. Trick number 2. Baby oil for an instant showroom shine. Your car's paint looks completely flat, dull, and has lost that rich, glossy finish you loved when you first bought it. Detailing shops absolutely prey on this. They will charge you hundreds of dollars for a multi-stage paint correction and push expensive ceramic coatings that drain your wallet. What they hide is that many premium products are often just refined oils with a massive markup. You can get that exact same wet look shine for $4. Grab a bottle of regular baby oil. After washing and drying your car, apply a tiny amount to a microfiber cloth and wipe it onto the paint in extremely thin layers. The oil fills microscopic clear coat scratches and creates an unbelievably slick, glossy barrier. Buff it smooth, and your car will turn heads. But now, it is time for the absolute most important trick on this entire list. Trick number 1. Silicone spray for instant door seal restoration. Remember that $6 spray I promised you at the very beginning? Your rubber door seals are hard, drying out, and creaking every time you open the door. This is a ticking time bomb. Dried out seals let rain seep directly into your cabin, soaking your carpets, creating hidden rust, and spawning toxic mold. Dealerships will quote you upwards of $500 to strip and replace all the weather stripping. Stop this disaster immediately. Buy a $6 can of silicone spray lubricant. Spray it directly onto a clean cloth and wipe it generously across every rubber cabin will be dead quiet and completely dry. How many of these expensive detailing secrets did you actually know? Drop a comment below and tell me which one shocked you the most. But keeping your car looking new is just the beginning. Dealerships are hiding much darker secrets under your hood. Click the next video on screen right now, where CoreCar exposes the 13 absolute worst mechanic scams